Alright guys, what I have here for you is my unboxing of the Visuo quadcopter or drone, whatever you want to call it. This is actually my second one. My other one got stolen off my motorcycle, so I got my new one today, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unveil it to you today. Alright, you got the package right here. I kind of opened it already, as you can see. I'm about to pull it out. Pull it out for you. Alright, there's the box. Got the quadcopter on there, or drone, whatever you want to call it, like I said before. On the box it got the Android app and everything on there. You can, for whatever your preference is, iPhone or Android. Now, by the way, I also got this off of eBay for 51 bucks. Also got the different functions. This one has auto takeoff, auto land, has a gyroscope. That's the version I have right there. As soon as the cameras focus in on it. I guess it doesn't want to work. But anyway, the model number is XS809HW-HD-G. So I got the, see, there it goes, right there. The one with the dot in the box. Right there. Alright, I'm going to open the box. So, like I said, it's a Visuo drone, a quadcopter. Alright. Let me see what we have here. Alright, that's the drone, a quadcopter, like I said, whatever you want to call it. It's right there. Has a wide angle lens camera, 2 megapixel. Has the battery in the back. Right here in the back, I don't know if you can see it or not, right there. It comes out like this. You just put your finger on there and pull it on out. I think my last one got like 10 minutes on the flight time. And it did pretty good. They come with, you can get this with extra batteries, but I just opted out to get just the one. This is how it looks all folded out. Like I said, this is my second one. Somebody stole my other one off my motorcycle. I had it locked. They broke into my bags on my motorcycle. That's how it looks. All right, put that aside. Then you have the controller. All this other stuff out of the way. All right, that's the controller. Like I said, it's auto land, auto takeoff, has return home. My last controller on my other one, it had the 2 blank buttons that they was labeled, but this one is not. Let me get that for you. See, it also has this right here. You put your phone holder. It's the phone holder. Let me get that other one. My old one. It's right over here next to my Xbox. Look at my old box right there. And my other one. See the difference? So that's from my old. So that's what tickled me. They took the drone but not the controller. So that's the old one. See how it's got the 2 buttons that's labeled, and this way they don't have the other buttons that's labeled. Maybe I can use this one with the new one. I don't know yet. I haven't tried it yet. I just got it today. Anyway, moving on. Put those out of the way. That's the controller for that. I think up under here, up under the box, I think it has some little goodies up under here. Has a user manual. You know, it tells you what to do and what not to do, pretty much. It has a little QR code to get your app. I already have the app already for my last drone. Like I said, it has all the instruction, user manual. Put that aside. Trying to get it all straight here for you. Alright, put that over there. Then we have the little bag of goodies. You have a screwdriver in there. You have your props and your prop protectors or guards. So there you have all of that. That's all it comes with. I already fired up. I got some more videos from my last one on my channel. So that's it. I will fire it up tomorrow. Can't hardly wait to get this thing. I was kind of suffering a little bit because I didn't have it. But that's what it comes with. But I'm surprised that the buttons work, but they're not labeled. The return home buttons are labeled. This right here is my old one still. I might just use this one. Oh, you know, the other one's for video and camera. Cause I don't think the video and camera buttons work. I never tried it on my old one. I always just use the app to take pictures with. But, you know, this right here is not labeled. Oh, yes. Also, it has the different speeds. It has three speeds. And it has a stud button right here. I didn't show you this earlier. I don't know if you can see that or not. It has the speed buttons has 3 speeds and the stunt button. Like I said, I'm going to put the other controller in there because I might use that too. I got 2 controllers. This is my second one. Somebody stole my other one off a motorcycle. So I don't know why they didn't take the controller, but they stole it. But this is my second one, and I'm just revealing it to you now. So that's what it comes with. They come with the user manual, the quadcopter itself, the bag of goodies with the props in there, a screwdriver, and a prop guards, and a controller. Doesn't come with batteries for the controller. It comes with batteries for the quadcopter itself. Oh, I forgot. It also has a charger in there itself too, right there. I didn't see it show you that. I have another charger from my other one, but yeah, it takes up to like an hour and a half to charge. Depends on, I guess, the battery, I guess. But that's I enjoyed the last one. I'm hoping I'm going to enjoy this one. So, all right, YouTube, peace out.